Communication is a fundamental part of human interaction. Whether it's in our personal or professional lives, effective communication is essential for success. In this video, we'll share 20 tips for effective communication for beginners. Let's get started. Tip 1. Listen actively. This means paying attention to what the other person is saying, asking questions, and clarifying any misunderstandings. Tip 2. Be clear and concise. Avoid using jargon or technical language that the other person may not understand. Tip 3. Use body language. Body language is a powerful tool in communication. Use it to convey confidence and openness, such as making eye contact, nodding, and using open gestures. Tip 4. Be aware of your tone. The tone of your voice can greatly affect the meaning of your words. Be aware of your tone and try to convey your message in a calm and respectful manner. Tip 5. Avoid interrupting. Interrupting can be seen as disrespectful and can hinder effective communication. Wait for the other person to finish speaking before responding. Tip 6. Use empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feeling of another person. Use it to connect with others and build stronger relationships. Tip 7. Avoid assumptions. Assuming that someone is thinking or feeling can lead to misunderstandings. Instead, ask questions to clarify any uncertainties. Tip 8. Avoid distractions. Distractions, such as phones or other people, can hinder effective communication. Try to eliminate them or find a quieter place to have a conversation. Tip 9. Use humor. Humor can be a great way to break the ice and connect with others. Just be sure to use it appropriately and avoid offensive jokes. Tip 10. Be patient. Don't rush the conversation and give the other person time to express themselves. Tip 11. Be respectful. Treat others with kindness and avoid belittling or insulting them. Tip 12. Avoid blame. Blaming others can lead to defensiveness and hinder effective communication. Instead, focus on finding solutions to problems. Tip 13. Use I statements. Using I statements, such as I feel or I think, can help convey your message without sounding accusatory. Tip 14. Practice active listening. Tip 15. Ask questions. Asking questions can help clarify what the other person is saying and ensure that you're both on the same page. Tip 16. Use examples. When trying to explain a complex idea, using examples can help clarify your point and make it easier for listeners to understand. Tip 17. Use nonverbal cues. Nonverbal cues, like facial expressions, body language, and eye contact, can also communicate a lot about how you're feeling. Tip 18. Watch your tone. Be mindful of your tone when communicating, and try to avoid sounding angry, defensive, or dismissive. Tip 19. Allow time for questions and discussion, and don't be afraid to ask questions yourself if you're unsure about something. And Tip 20. Seek feedback afterwards to find out if your message was received as intended, and try to learn from any miscommunication that occurred.